Hello students, welcome to MGM Education. This is about Mahavira again. One more concept. Living and non-living theory. Jiva and Ajiva Tattva. Jiva, that who has the life. All animals, creatures, human beings, all. Ajiva are abiotic components of the environment, water, air, fire, earth, etc. and are interlinked with life, both subject to die or decay. So if the human beings are dying, Jiva dying and Ajiva destroying, subject to decay, he said. But so long we live here, we have to understand this theory of interlinkage between the Jiva Tattva and Ajiva Tattva. The living beings and the non-living beings together are forming this universe. One without other is meaningless or useless also. Without non-living things, you cannot exist. Yeah. So, non-living things contribution to living things are contributing to non-living things. So, this type of interlinking and interdependence between the biotic and the abiotic in the environment is a big concept in religion. Unless we understand this, we take it life as easy. So we cannot understand our soul. So to make the concept soul concept clear, Atma Tattva को संपूर्ण भाव जानिबा पाई जीव और अजीव तत्व व्यवहार करछथि से आउर तो कहिथिले एक महा ऊर्जा अच्छी जो आम विच्छिन्न होकर आसचे जीव हो जाइए राइट आउ गोटे कथा भी शुणी गोटे पाखे पिला जिते सुप्रीम पावर रु गोटे फ्रैक्शन आसीज से फास्ट मेघरे मिसीज वर्षा हो भूमि की बाहरी आसो गचरे पशिज ना को प्राणी खाईदेव तार से कौन हम भितर से जन्म होकर जीव रूप में बाहर को आस जीव जो आसो विकारग्रस्त हो विकारग्रस्त हो गला से माया जाल पड़ महावीर कहते शिष्य मान माया जाल पड़ जाता पूर्व जन्म विषय सब से भूल जाव ए जन्म जोड़ा देखुची जोड़ा ये कर सब छड़े आने चेष्टा कर तेणुक से 5 बोझ फर्स्ट नहीं गले 5 प्रतिज्ञा कर मो आगे ताहले जैन धर्म यू कैन कम अदरवाइज यू कैनॉट कम कहले तापर वन्स लाइफ आसला परे नॉलेज जो तुमको पशिबो नॉलेज तो जन्म रू आसी नथिबो ना gradually knowledge will come and enter to your brain. After getting the knowledge, you try to understand this concept of jiva and ajiva, living and non-living thing, how they are interlinked, how they are interdependent. If this theory you don't understand, your life is meaningless. ये परस्पर निर्भरशीलता तुम जीवन यापन होती कौन सी भी टिके इम्बालांस हो गला मन कर पानी मिललानी मन कर जल यू डोंट गेट द वाटर व्हाट विल हैपन यू डोंट गेट द एयर व्हाट विल हैपन यू विल डाई इन 3 minutes. So how much we are dependent on the non-living objects? Please think. Mahavira said this. To all his disciples, he used to take classes like this. In every classes, he definitely touching to this lesson, the theory of living and non-living objects in the universe. Universe is a complete organic unit, he said. In this organic unit, we are all interdependent to each other. One without other is meaningless like that. Not meaningless, lifeless. You understand? So he said, but both of them, Jiva and Ajiva, are subject to die and decay. These things are meant for all. So he said, advised, know the soul first. Be soul conscious, purify your soul, you will get nirvana, he said. So this concept of Jiva Tattva and Ajiva Tattva is very important in close to second year history. Okay students, thank you very much for watching.